Hello YouTube, welcome to another edition of Let's Hustle. I'm your regular host, Ihibi Patrick Major Column. If this is your first time seeing my handsome face, kindly consider to subscribe on the notification bell so that you will be among the first to know when I make new videos. And if this is your second time or you are a returning subscriber, you are super duper welcome to the Successful Hustle family. On today's edition of Let's Hustle, we'll be looking at 7 business ideas that you can start with 100,000. Universities keep on pushing out millions of graduates on a yearly basis without a proper planning for them, where they are going to start up, how and just where and how are they going to get funding, or where are they going to work. That's none of our government concern, and the economy are bad. So take this seriously. Kindly share and watch, discuss with people these 7 powerful ideas of which we are going to dish out today. Number 1 on our list is the popcorn vendor. You can start it with below 100,000. All you need is a good location, gas cylinder, the popcorn pot, and other little stuff that you can get with below 100,000. So it's a goal for me. Young and old can do it. Those that have little capital to start a business, I think it's a good one. And number 2 is POS, point of sales service. POS is a very nice one. You can start it up with 100,000 or below. All you need to do is look for a service carrier that you like. It's either OPay, Paga, or MTN Momo agent. Approach them, sign up with them, and you have the machine, and you can start making your daily income with that. Number 3 on our list is social influencing or affiliate marketing. With this, you don't actually need much to start this. All you need is a smartphone and data and the subscription, and just go to the internet and surf. Number 4 on our list is phone charging. Phone charging, it's a good business to start up with. You can start with below 100,000. The next on our list is football viewing center. Football viewing center, it's a very nice business that you can start, and you make good money, like good money. You make good money with football viewing center. Mostly those that live within the university environment, if you can start it up, or in a environment that people cluster a lot, it's a very nice location for. Next is laundry. Laundry for me, you can start with below 100,000. I remember when I was on IT in Lagos, there's this schedule that goes around people's home and they wash for them. When it dries, it comes and collect it and iron, return back at the end of the month. You just calculate how many times it has come and it gets paid. It doesn't even have a shop to start with. So laundry service is a go for me. The next with below 100,000 The next on our list is football viewing center. Football viewing center, it's a very nice business that you can start and you make good money, like good money. You make good money with football viewing center. Mostly those that live within the university environment, if you can start it up, or in a environment that people cluster a lot. It's a very nice location for football viewing center. And the last on our list, right? Everybody needs food. Everybody want to eat, but not everybody want to cook. So I think Indomie fast food, it's a good one. You can go with that if actually you know how to cook and you have a little capital. That's a good one that you can step up with. We have come to the end of today's edition of Let's Hustle. If this is your kind of video, kindly subscribe, like, share, comment, so that you'll be among the first to get the video when we drop our new series. Thank you for sticking with us. God bless.